Why isn't there a sitcom out there that perfectly balances humor with tragedy, echoing life's own delicate dance between laughter and tears? Well, buckle up because Shifting Gears is here to change that. Uh, Embark on an emotional roller coaster ride with Tim Allen as he introduces us to the complex world of Matt Parker, a character whose story has been carefully shaped by life's tragedies and obstacles. Uh, Allen's collaboration with Kat Dennings, whose portrayal of his estranged daughter, Riley, creates an opportunity for deep connections and hilarious moments alike. Shifting Gears doesn't shy away from addressing difficult subjects, even weaving in a hidden son who serves in the Navy to deepen the roots of intrigue with the family's already captivating dynamic. The show's Felag Knot is its ability to seamlessly blend hilarity with tragedy and tease out poignant moments that resonate with audiences. With a talented cast including Sean William Scott, Daryl Mitchell, and Jenna Helfman, the icing on the cake is the promise of a major casting announcement that's bound to keep you on the edge of your seat. As well, as far as the major casting seat and the knife seat, there's no question. So subscribe to the channel and press the like button because Shifting Gears is going to be a wild ride you won't want to miss. Alan's comments reveal a backdrop steeped in sadness and loss for Matt Parker, but note how humor still manages to hold a special place in his life. As he says, despite the overwhelming grief, I managed to maintain a sense of humor and evolved into a somewhat cranky man. And discover the touching story of rekindling Matt's relationship with Riley against their turbulent past. And that while we await news of a potential Navy man's son joining the scene, Tim Allen's Shifting Gears showcases not only a deep understanding of the human condition, but the potential for a spellbinding, unforgettable sitcom. And will this be the sitcom we've all been waiting for? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Shifting Gears is not to be missed. So grab your popcorn, get comfortable, and let's take this bumpy ride together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.